Galax Pro Power Tool 86225, the electric multi-tool that you need for home repair, remodeling, restoration and DIY projects. This tool features a 2 amp-hours motor with quick lock accessory change for its accessories. It is versatile use thanks to its 4-degree oscillating angle. Fast blade installation incorporated. A quick release lever allows for tool-free blade replacement, saving valuable time and effort on your job. It features 6 settings of variable speed control, allowing you to increase or decrease speed from 11,000 to 21,000 RPM, and helps you with your flush, precise and plunge cuts, undercutting doors, vinyl flooring or carpeting, and so much more. Galax Pro, power to change your life. Presenting the 9525K1 Oscillating Tool by Galax Pro. This tool has a motor of 3.5 amp-hours input power. Attach the included blade to cut air ducts, downspout, screws, nails, cables and so much more. This oscillating tool weighs less than 4 pounds with a small grip diameter for user comfort. The quick change system allows for fast tool-free blade changing accessories and helps you save much of your time. A variable speed allows you to set the optimal speed for the task at hand. Its compact and sturdy body can reach into corners and other tight spaces. Galax Pro, power to change your life.